Okay, well, now that we've gotten a lot of the other things out of the way, let's go ahead and add a video to one of our panoramas. So let's figure a spot where we would like maybe the button to be to trigger this. And here, this looks pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and add an icon to trigger that. So we'll go back into that hotspots properties, and we're going to be adding here in the objects. And again, you could use words, you can upload your own pictures, you could do whatever you'd like to create the button or the hotspot. I think we're going to go ahead and try icons, and let's do some emoji this time. So I've selected the movie emoji here. So we're going to go ahead and just plop that right in here. Okay, and this is going to say processing for a while. I'm not sure why, but it's there. Okay. All right, so now we have our action, and we're going to display video. So we can choose to do that. Now you have some pop-ups here. I've chosen a video from YouTube, so I'm going to go ahead and just add the link right there. The title, and we don't really need to add a title, but we'll add one anyway. Take a look. Okay, do we want it to autoplay when they click? Yes. The aspect ratio, the size of the video, how you want to do can be set here, but I recommend you just go with the default. YouTube is pretty good at all of that. All right, so now that we have that, let's go ahead then and save it, okay? And preview. So there we are. All right, now you have other choices to customize the appearance of the pop-up. I'm just going to go ahead and leave this one off for now. You can get a little too deep with some of the features that they give you. For example, this. There are lots and lots of different things that you can have done. So let's just go ahead and leave that one there, okay? All right, so we're back into the panorama, and we've saved it already, so we've got everything we need, and we're going to close that. All right, now it's weird to have this little floating camera here. It looks like a UFO, so maybe we should go ahead and change that a little bit. First of all, it seems kind of crooked, so let's go ahead and change the sides and see, spin it so that it looks flat. Too small. So we're going to raise that up a little bit here. And again, right click and to allow you to move. There you go. Okay. All right, I think that that'll work for you.